Hi, my name is Mike KMRD, and I'm a ham radio addict. We're here at HRO in Dayton, Xenia, and Robert here is gonna steal my money.
Wow.
We're doing it. We're getting the FTX-1 F.
Cool.
Because I need another QRP radio. I need it. But the thing is, Jason brought this out yesterday because he got one early. And this is, in my opinion, the loudest and best sounding portable radio I have ever seen.
Now, we built this with a concept of, as someone said yesterday, and I don't even know if it's a real word, modularity.
Sounds like a cool word. It's going to be our new buzzword.
Sounds good. But what it is basically, it's like you're at home. You want to do 100 watts through HF and 6 meters. But now, or 50 watts on VHF and UHF. Now what I want to do is I want to go out somewhere. I want to take it with me to...
Oh my god. I want this. Let's check. FTX-1 field. Let's buy it. Check out. Let's do will call. Place order. I mean, really, this is the hottest gadget in amateur radio for a while. People will stand in line for this. It has the Apple effect. And I know what I'm talking about ever since I camped out overnight to the Apple store to get the very first iPad.
1 hour later.
Ham Radio Outlet just called me and told me that the order is ready for pickup. I better get going. It's a 3-hour drive. So exciting! What a beauty. It's the box. I like the Field box much better because it's so colorful. And the Optima box is not so colorful. It's just boring gray. But it's not about optics, right? So the moment of truth. Manual, of course, and a map. I wish they had one big manual that has everything advanced and APRS in one book, and you don't have to download those as PDFs. But Yaesu manuals are usually very cool, very good, and detailed. Okay. And then this is a panel control and switches. Quick view, whatever we call this. Oh, that's cool. So maybe I'm gonna scan this and laminate it. Functions that can be set by touching the screen. Okay. It's away. What's in here? Okay, that's the battery. Wow. Quite heavy. Made in Japan. 6,400 milliampere hours. Okay. I wonder what that is. Maybe some kind of plate when you mount it to like a tripod or something. More stuff. Microphone holder. And the microphone. And what's that? Oh, that's the power cable. Okay. Let me see how this looks like. Cool. I know what I'm gonna do with this here. It's gonna be some power pole connectors. Woohoo! Okay, and now the baby itself. Wow. This is heavy. Oh, there's some fuses too here. This is very heavy. But it's actually well built. This is all plastic, but it's good quality plastic. So there are like 3 rubber gaskets here to protect the jacks, and this is loose. So speaking about loose, we're probably gonna lose this. Okay, so now for the moment that everybody's waiting for, I'll take this. Ooh, so satisfying. Okay, now put the battery on. Let's take a look. So this is really heavy. I did not expect this to be so heavy. And it's also, from a size perspective, it's almost as wide as the 710. And about the same width as the 991. So let's get this connected. Okay, let's see what this does. We have FT8 here. Okay, what else can we do? How do I get to the different band? Oh, cool. I wonder what's happening here. Oh, this is the whole band. Okay. Let's try the 2 meters. Plug the different antenna in. So how do I switch now to the other one? Split. Let's try output wattage. Let's press the PTT key and see how much this is. It's 4.5 watts on 70 centimeters. Okay, let's go 2 meters. And that's 3.8 watts. Okay, so I wonder what happens if I connect this to a power outlet. Let's see if I can get this done quickly. And now it's connected to the power. 13.8. Well, let's try this again. 2 meters, 7.6 watts. And 70 centimeters, 7.7 watts. What if I go to HF? Let's go split. I want to do, let's do 10 meters and see what that does. Let's switch to, let's go to HF. Let's switch to FM. Oh, this is narrow. Oh, okay, a long press. So let's go to FM and let's see what happens in HF. That's 10 watts right there. Very cool. And if I go, it actually even shows it here. Wow, it shows the 10 watts right there. Sweet. 10 watts. Okay, let's go to maybe 40 meters and then I'm gonna call it a night. What was it again? Band? Here we go. Let's see what happens. I will have to switch to FM as well. FM. Okay, 40 meters. Let's try this. 10 watts. Amazing. Very cool. Let's try something funny. Let's go to, oh, I can even tap on the screen to get to the mode. Very cool. LSB, hold on, LSB. And I'm gonna do a modulation. Testing, 1, 2, 3, woo! Works fine. So this is fun. My first impressions are this is heavier than I thought. The size, I kind of knew that it's about the size of the FT991, but it's definitely heavier. So I have a really heavy duty tripod here, which is probably not going to help for any mobile installation. But speaking of mobile installation, this would require a very sturdy mount in the car, and probably its own airbag, because it's very heavy. But it's definitely not impossible. I've seen people put a 991 in the car, so this is probably better. And the other thing we might need is some kind of separations cable set to then, if you have the SPA1 unit that you maybe want to put on the seat or in the trunk, you need cables to put it back. But now I understand why John Crook said this is not a mobile tool or mobile radio, because it's quite heavy. But you can do it. So my first impression is still amazing. I love this thing. I will have to dive in deeper, take it outdoors, and see what happens. So let me know if you have any questions or comments, or if you want me to test anything for you, leave them in the comments. And for now, it's K1MBL out.